Taxi. Hello. Finally. It's raining a lot. Yes. Get in quickly. Thank you. Where are you going? To the station. Which station? The central station. Perfect. How long? 10 minutes. Very good. With this rain, maybe more. More time? Yes. No problem. Are you in a hurry? A little. I'll take another street. Of course. It's faster. Great. Do you live here? No. Where are you from? I'm from Barcelona. Ah, very good. And you? From here. Does it always rain so much? Not always. Thank goodness. More in winter. I see. We're here. How fast? It's €8. Do you have change? Yes. Here's 10. Thank you. Keep the change. Very kind. Have a good day. Likewise. Goodbye. Goodbye. This is impossible. Very difficult. Do you have the key? Yes. Where does it go? I don't know. Have you tried there? Where? In that box. Oh, no. Try it. Okay. Does it work? No. What does it say here? I don't understand. It says something about numbers. What numbers? 3, 8, 5. Where do we put those numbers? On the padlock. Which padlock? That one over there. Oh, okay. Do you have it? Yes. 3, 8, 5. It won't open. Are you sure? Yes. Try it backwards. 5, 8, 3. Exactly. It works. Great. What's inside? Another key. More keys. This is eternal. How much time is left? 5 minutes. Impossible. Should we ask for help? Good idea. Help. We can't. It's very difficult. Next time, an easy one. Yes. We give up. Are you Miguel? Carmen. Yes. Hello. Hello. How are you? Fine. A little nervous. Me too. Should we sit down? Of course. Do you want coffee? Yes, thank you. With milk. Perfect. I'll be right back. Okay. Here you go. Thank you. What do you do? I'm a teacher. How nice. And you? I'm an engineer. Interesting. Do you like teaching? A lot. What do you teach? Spanish. Great. Do you have siblings? One sister. Older or younger? Older. I have 2. Do they live here? One does. Do you like the city? Yes. It's very beautiful. How long have you lived here? 3 years. Where are you from? From Seville. I love Seville. Have you been? Twice. Did you like it? Very much. Do you want another coffee? Good idea. Good morning. Good morning. I want to adopt a dog. Perfect. What dogs do you have? Many. Can I see them? Of course. This way. Thank you. What's this one's name? Max. How old is he? 3 years. Is he calm? Very calm. Does he like children? Yes. Perfect. Do you have children? One daughter. What age? 8 years old. Great. Can I pet him? Yes. Hello, Max. He likes you. He's very sweet. Yes. Is he vaccinated? Yes. And neutered? Also. How much does it cost? €50. Only that? For veterinary expenses. Very good. Do you want him? Yes. I need your information. Of course. Your name? Ana Garcia. Phone number? 615893210. Perfect. When can I take him? Today. Great. Welcome home, Max. Finally you're here. Good morning. There's water everywhere. I can see. Can you fix it? Yes. Where's the key? Which key? For the water. Have you turned it off? I don't know where it is. We need to turn it off. How? Is there a meter? Where? On the street. I don't know. I'll go look. Okay. Done. No more water coming out. No. Thank goodness. Where did it start? Behind the toilet. I see the problem. What is it? The pipe is broken. Can it be fixed? Yes. How long? 1 hour. Do you need anything? A new pipe. Do you have it? In the van. Great. I'll be right back. How much will it cost? €80. Okay. I'll start now. Can I help? No need. I'm going to clean. Good idea. Are you finished? Yes. Does it work well? Perfect. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Oh no. What happened? The wind broke my umbrella. How awful. Now it's completely broken. Do you need help? Yes, thank you. Are there stores nearby? I don't know. There's one there. Where? At the end of the street. Do they sell umbrellas? I think so. Perfect. Do you want us to go together? Very kind. It's very windy today. Yes. It's horrible. This umbrella was new. What a shame. How much does an umbrella cost? Not much. €10. More or less. Okay. There's the store. Great. Is it open? Yes. There are lights inside. Perfect. Are you going in now? Yes. Do you need more help? No, thank you. You're welcome. Very kind. Good luck. Thank you. And be careful with the wind. Yes. Goodbye. Goodbye. See you later. See you later. Help, please. What's wrong? The pipe is broken. Where? In the bathroom. I see. There's water everywhere. A lot of water. Yes. Did you turn off the water? I don't know how. I'll do it. Thank you. Where's the valve? I don't know. In the kitchen. Possibly. I'll go look. Okay. Here it is. Is it turned off now? Yes. Thank God. Now I'll look at the pipe. Is it very serious? Quite. Oh no. I need to change this part. Do you have the parts? In the truck. Perfect. When did this happen? This morning. What time? At 7. Early. Yes. How much time do you need? Excuse me? To repair this. About an hour. Okay. Is that all right? Yes. I'll start now. Thank you. You're welcome. A spider? Where? Up there. I see it. It's huge. Not so big. Yes, it is big. Calm down. I can't. I'll remove it. How? With this glass. Be careful. Of course. Is it moving? A little. Oh, God. It's still now. Are you sure? Yes. Can you reach it? I think so. Careful. Almost there. Don't kill it. I won't kill it. Better outside. Exactly. Do you have it? Got it. Really? Yes. What a relief. I'm going to the balcony. Okay. Are you coming? No, thank you. I'm releasing it now. Perfect. It's free now. Thank you. Better now? Much better. It was small. For you. For me too. Thank you. You're welcome. Good morning. Good morning. Can I taste wines? Of course. How many do you have? 5 different ones. Perfect. Do you prefer red or white? Both. Very good. Which do you recommend first? This white. What's it called? Albarino. What year? 2022. Recent. Yes. It smells very good. Do you like it? A lot. It's very fresh. And the red? Here you go. Thank you. This is Tempranillo. Stronger? A little. It's good. Which do you prefer? Difficult decision. Do you want to try more? Yes. This is reserve. More expensive? Yes. How much does it cost? 20 euros. Per bottle. Yes. Reasonable. Do you want to buy any? The Tempranillo. Good choice. 1 bottle. Or 2? 2. Perfect. How much is it? 30 euros. Here you go. Thank you. Good morning. Good morning. Should we discuss the contract? Sure. How much time do you need? 1 month. Full time. No. How many hours? 20 per week. Perfect. What's your rate? 30 euros per hour. Negotiable. It depends. On what? On the project. It's digital marketing. Interesting. Do you have experience? 5 years. Perfect. What budget do you have? 2,000 euros. For the whole month? Yes. It's little. How much do you need? 2,400. Hi. It's my normal rate. 2,200. Okay. When can you start? Next week. Great. Work from home? Yes. Perfect. Video call meetings? Of course. Once a week. Very good. Should we sign the contract? Yes. Today? Perfect. Do you have questions? No. Excellent. Thank you. Thank you.